How to fix Windows Defender error 0x800704ec. 1. Set not configured option to turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus setting at computer configuration administrative templates Windows components Microsoft Defender antivirus infidite.msc. 2. Delete disable real-time monitoring at hkey_local_machine /software/policies/Microsoft/Windows Defender /real-time protection from rejected. Now, start Windows security service.